Hey guys, Pip here. Welcome back to another video. And P.S. I have been here this time. I didn't just think it wasn't recording. I just did it because it was loading Minecraft. Anyways, we are back with some 12 days of Minecraft. And today, I am showing you what's inside a snowman. So where I live, during Christmas, I always end up building at least one snowman because it snows. And snowmen don't really got that purpose though. Okay. So as you can see, here's the snowman's brain. It's red wool because he's thinking about his summer. And this is in his stomach. He's making offspring because that's what snowmen do. And they also make sounds. See? That's what my snowman makes. That's the sound my snowman makes. But yeah, also the new version 1.8 is here for Pocket Edition. So if I go into here, there is a spike that spawns panda. Up, buddy. I can do this all day. This panda's sick. Give him some bamboo. Wait, that's what you... I'm getting too distracted. Get panda, get. That panda's sick. How do you make pandas not sick? Tell me in the comments below. And sorry if you hear something loud, it's the heater of the hotel I'm in. I'm currently in Winslow, Arizona, and there for I put a snowman as Christmas hat on my snowman, and it shoots festive fireworks into the air. See? But then when snowmen see, if you look at his brain, he's thinking about Christmas. This is actually what happens when the snowman. Oh, what the heck is wrong with my brain? The snowman's thinking about summer. This is actually what happens to the snowman when summer comes around. What the? More. Fine, I'll do the job myself. See, this is actually what happened to snowman. Go on and kill the sick panda. But anyways, guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. It's short because I'm in a hotel, I already said. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This has been Pip, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.